Hi Skin Games family, I'm Brenda from Skintastic Waxing and Facial Studio, and this is my video 8 submission for the compromised skin category of the Skin Games. For this 8-week case study, I worked with my model, Miss Christa, who has rosacea with chronic redness, inflammation, and sensitivity. Our goal was to calm the skin, rebuild her barrier, and support the gut-skin connection that plays a huge role in rosacea. Throughout the study, I took an integrative approach using KPS Slim Massage to help support lymphatic drainage, reduce internal inflammation, and help detoxification, which is a key part of calming rosacea from the inside out. KPS skincare treatments to nourish, soothe, and restore barrier health. Mater Beauty Science to support microbiome balance and reduce neurogenic inflammation using gentle science-backed formulas. Also used was the Myolift Microcurrent Magic Gloves to calm inflammation, improve circulation, and help reduce heat and redness in the skin. Over the 8 weeks, Krista's skin has improved tremendously. Redness is visibly reduced, inflammation is calmer, her barrier is stronger, and overall, her skin health and texture have transformed. And the best part, Christa feels more confident and more comfortable in her skin than she has in years. I just want to introduce Christa and just see how she felt the 8-week case study went for her as well.
I am so grateful, and I love seeing the skin and the change and being able to wake up confident without having to put on makeup, and I can just get going with my days. Thank you.
I love that. You're welcome. And you know what? I did notice too, like over the course of the weeks, like the redness was calming a lot.
Mhm.
And so just those minor little adjustments in the skin make a huge difference, especially in the transformation. I just want to say thank you to the judges of the Skin Games. I want to say thank you, Christa, for trusting me through this journey. And thank you to the Skin Games for giving professionals this platform to showcase real healing and real results. See you guys all in Dallas. Bye. Huge thanks to my sponsors, Matter Skin and KPS Essentials.